general market analysis. We're going to be using the Elliott Wave graph to see where price is. And right here on the Elliott Wave, you see that we have 1, 2, 3 highs. So we're going to focus in on this area. Pullback. First chart, BX, 5-year, 1 day. You see we have 3 highs, which is the Elliott Wave completion, meaning that we're into resistance and we should have a nice sell-off here. Support level could be low as $55. AMD, 5-year, 1 day, 1, 2, 3, giving us the head and shoulders pattern, which right now we're in the pullback of the ABCD pattern. Expecting this area here as a range box to be completed down here, which makes sense because we see support. Because of those two patterns showing that there could be some downward profit taking, which had already happened in a big way on lemon, I would not be taking an up trade here. I think the overall market is bearish, especially with price being so far off of this resistance level that it would have to break out, then retrace lower before getting any momentum to going back up. For me, lemon is at best a leg 4, looking for some more downward pressure into $50. I would not consider getting into the trade until then. These are the 3 major patterns that I'm seeing happening right now in the market. So when you're filtering through your trades, look and see what pattern this identifies with. Make sure that you have a long enough time if you're using options. Hope this helps.